Hey guys, it's William, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you another amazing recipe which is quite simple today since we are going to make ricotta pancakes. These pancakes are so easy to make and so quickly since you don't need to let the batter rest, and they are out of this world delicious. This recipe comes from Nigella Lawson and I was completely inspired by her. So you need to know that, and you need to know how much I love her too. I'm completely obsessed with Nigella and this video is pretty much an homage to her. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, we are going to start by separating our eggs between yolks and whites. And in the yolks, I'm going to add some ricotta cheese and mix with a spatula. Perfect. Now I'm just going to sift some all-purpose flour as well as baking powder, of course, to have the thickest and tallest and highest and fluffiest pancakes ever. And I'm just going to sift it to make sure that we don't have any lumps. Perfect. Now I'm just going to add some vanilla extract and mix once again. At this stage, your batter should be super thick and it's completely normal. I'm just going to add now some buttermilk that I made myself using some whole milk and some lemon juice. Of course, if you have buttermilk, use it. It's so amazing in pancakes. And then we are going to mix everything, and finally we'll work on the egg whites. Time to work on the egg whites, and I'm just going to add a bit of salt and then use a whisk to whisk them until very thick and moussey, and it will take about 5 minutes. And of course, if you want to use a KitchenAid or electric beaters, please do so, I don't mind. Great, now I'm just going to introduce our egg whites in our preparation, and I'm going to do that in 2 additions to make sure that we have as much air as possible, and finally we'll cook our pancakes. It is time to cook our pancakes since the batter is ready, and I'm just going to grease my pan using a paper towel and some oil. You can definitely add butter if you prefer, but it's a bit more healthy to actually use oil. And I'm then going to cook my pancakes for about 2 minutes on each side, and basically once you see bubbles, it is time to flip them over and make sure also that the heat is not too high so that you don't burn your pancakes. As you can see, our pancakes are super thick and fluffy, exactly what we are looking for. I suggest serving them with some homemade jam like I'm here, or some maple syrup or anything you want. I didn't add sugar in the pancakes because I don't feel like it's necessary, since you can add then anything you want on top of them. I hope you enjoyed this video and recipe and that you are going to recreate them and tag me on my social media. You can find the entire list of ingredients in the description box down below, as well as my social media, so Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like and a comment if you want to chat. I'll be very happy to respond, and I will see you very soon for another amazing recipe. Bye!